When programming the short and long press functions of the Favourite button for the first time, press the Favourite button and choose your desired functions from the content library. To change the chosen functions of the Favourite button, touch the Settings icon, followed by All Settings, Features and Favourite button. Press the increase or decrease buttons to adjust the volume. Alternatively, use your finger to sweep clockwise or counterclockwise. When listening to a media source, press the left and right buttons to select the next or previous radio favourite, media or video content. Press and hold to seek up or down to the next or previous radio station. Press the phone button to activate the phone system. Press the phone button again to call the most recent number from the top of the list. Press the volume increase or decrease to adjust the call volume. Press the End Call button to end the call. Press the Menu button to change the vehicle's features and settings. Scroll through the menu using the arrows. Press the right arrow or press OK to view a sublist. You can now view the feature options. Scroll through these using the up and down arrows. Alternatively, use your finger to sweep clockwise or counterclockwise and press OK to select. If you want to return to the previous menu, press the left arrow or press and hold to close and exit the menus. Some of these features are not available when the engine is running.